Hello everyone, today I will introduce the fabric composition of the sweater. Sweater have several different materials divided into pure cotton, chemical fiber, and wool. Pure cotton sweater generally worn, easy to deform, while sweater easy to yellow, but cheap. Suede containing chemical fiber will have steady electricity. Manufacturing technology is not good. Pungent test. The price is cheaper. Wool is much better at keeping warm. But there are four kinds of wool: cashmere, merino wool, ordinary wool, and lemon wool. Lemon wool is the most prick the hand. Cashmere is the most warm and soft material, but it's also the most expensive. A piece of clothing to see its manufacturing process. Materials are also divided into high quality and so on, will affect its use experience and price. Sweater made of wool need special attention when washing. Some can be not washed by machine. Need to be cleaning according to the label requirement. That's all for today. See you next time.